practice combo. And what I mean by a practice combo is some of these elements I'm good at and some of these I'm not so good at. I do this combo when I'm just warming up for a practice, or I want to practice a certain element that I'm kind of bad at, but I want to do something I'm kind of good at first. You know what I mean? You have to have some wins in there too. I am using the Rain City Skills author today. This is in celebration of my new sponsorship with them, and I will be receiving 2 yo-yos from them in the mail coming up, so stay tuned for some reviews as well. I hate when videos talk forever, and I am guilty, so let's just do this. So first, the combo looks like this. Was a little crazy, so try to keep it stable. And for this combo, I'm assuming that you know a few tricks already, but if you need help with them, all of these tricks can be found on YouTube somewhere. And if you still need help, I can do a tutorial, just leave that in the comments. So let's break this down into a few different parts. First, you're going to throw a pinwheel and do that 3 times and hit the string. You're gonna launch it up into an Eli hop, hit the string, 1, 2, 3, and hit. And hop. That's the first part. Then you're going to toss it off into kind of a Brent. You know, the traditional Brent looks like that, but I kind of launch it. My intention is not to catch it again. It is just to get the yo-yo up into the air for like a flourish. So that's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, hit, hop, and then out. So to wrap up that second part, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, hit, hop, and then this chuck in the air. And then you're gonna go right into a kamikaze directly. So the reason that's not a full Brent, it's more of a flourish, is so you can directly get the yo-yo ready to go around your thumb into the kamikaze, like that. So parts 1 and 2 together look like this. So for me personally, that's a part of the combo that I feel really good about. I can hit it pretty frequently with some good accuracy, so I start with the easy stuff. Now this next part is going to be whips and slacks, which are personally my weakness, and that's why I incorporate them at the end. I get a good solid foundation, and then I warm up into those harder tricks. So the next part of the trick is just the whip element of Seismic Slam. In a kamikaze already, you're going to roll out into a double on, and roll into a trapeze and pinch. You're gonna do a slack to kamikaze mount, roll off, roll back on, and then we're gonna do something a little different. So the first 3 parts together still aren't too hard. It looks like this, 1, 2, 3, hit and up. Then you're gonna do your move here into the kamikaze, off, roll off, whip to kamikaze, and roll off. 1, 2, and 3. So the next part of this combo I hate because it's a whip that I struggle with quite a bit. That's okay, that's why it's in our practice combo. But it might be easy to some of y'all, so let's just do it. Make sure your string tension is nice for this because it is a whip. So the last part of the Seismic Slam element we're gonna do is going to end in a trapeze, right? So you're just gonna kick this off and go into your whip like this. And there's different ways to dismount from this, but what you're going to do is underpass and pinch this double string here, and then do your trapeze brother slack. And then you can dismount, and that's the full combo. The first time I did the combo for this video was different than the second time that I did this combo for the video. The reason is I'm not comfortable with all these tricks yet. So yes, one of my whips is gonna look better than the other. One of my slacks is gonna look better than the other. That's fine, that's why it's a practice combo. So I wanted to give y'all the real deal. It's not gonna be perfect all the time. Sometimes you're gonna miss, I even missed a few times filming this. So just don't get discouraged. That's exactly what this combo is for. So if you liked this combo, you can practice these specific elements and learn how to do them better long term. And if this is too easy or too hard for you, the formula is just to go from an easier trick to a harder trick. So just put in elements that you like. I actually got it. I didn't think I was gonna get it. Over time, when you do these practice combos, you have little wins at the beginning and then big wins at the end where you start to hit those harder tricks. This one incorporates a few different mounts, a few different slats, things like that to make it different, to challenge me throughout the combo, so you can try that too. If you have questions or comments, put them below and keep practicing. I'm Yoyo Superstar. We'll see you in the next video. I missed the mount.